Okay, hello everyone, I am your tutor today. I'd like to preface that if I do make a mistake or if there's another way to answer the problem, or maybe you have a question because I didn't explain anything or something well enough, go ahead and leave a comment so that way we can answer it and then get better at answering these questions. So our question today is, a car makes a trip due north for 3/4 of the time and due south 1/4 of the time. The average northward velocity has a magnitude of 26 meters per second, and the average southward velocity has a magnitude of 43 meters per second. Taking northward to be the positive direction, what is the average velocity for the trip? So that kind of sounds like a lot when you read it like that. I'm going to go ahead and show you the easy way to answer this. So here we go. We'll go ahead and draw it out. We have a car. That's our car, and it's going up 26 meters per second, right? And that is for 3/4 of the time. Okay, now it has an average southward velocity, so this is 1, and it has a southward velocity of 43 meters per second. And that is 1/4 of the time. We know it's 1/4 because this is 3/4 of the total time, and obviously subtraction from the total from 1 and you get 1/4. So to solve this, all we're going to do is we're going to multiply these together and then add them. So we'll go ahead and do 26 meters per second times 3/4 of the time. That'll be number 1, and then number 2, and then we add them, and we will get our average velocity. So 26 times, and we get 19.5. Now we're going to do the same thing over here, except we have to remember that the northward is the positive direction, which means that going south is the negative direction. So this speed is actually, this velocity is actually negative. So you have to remember that when you're doing this problem. So we're going to do negative 43 meters per second times 1/4 of the time, and that will get us negative 10.75, and these are meters per second. So now all we have to do is add these and we'll get our answer. So our answer, when you add them, we'll go ahead and do this right here, this plus 19.5, and that will equal an average velocity for the total trip of 8.75 meters per second. So that's everything. I hope that helped. If this was correct, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. And please like the video so that other students know this is accurate information, and so that way we can help more students out there to help understand physics or whatever subject you're using this to study for. So thank you.